and Max here again. We're in Montego Bay and we're in Westgate. We're gonna make our way onto Barnett Street. Today is the day after Boxing Day. Today is December 27th. It's a Saturday, so we're gonna see what the heart of Montego Bay is like. How is everyone doing? Thank you so much for tuning in, for joining in. This is Island Max showing you the beauty of Jamaica. The nice fruits there on the left. What a nice way to start your day. So we're gonna make the right turn onto Barnett Street. Let's go. Road out here so want to be fixed badly. It's terrible. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go on to Barnett Street, see what a beautiful Saturday like this looks like. We're going into the market area again, see if we can get some fruits. The sun is coming up. What time is it now? What time is it? It's about 10 a.m. now. And this is what the traffic now looks like. It's moving slowly. So we're on Barnett Street heading towards the market. How was your Boxing Day? Let me know how was the holidays, the Christmas holidays, the Boxing Day. Trust me, we have uploaded a lot of videos on that. So make sure that you watch all the videos on our channel. Wow, these guys are crazy, man. We went in Sam Sharp Square where we show, the vendors. There were a lot of sellers more than buyers. The fountain was up and running, and it was such a good look for Montego Bay over the holidays. So it's back to business now, and we're gonna see what the streets here in Montego Bay look like the day after Boxing Day. See the lovely mural on the right. Lovely paintings depicting all the fun activities that persons can enjoy in Montego Bay. So we're in the Clock region. This area of Barnett Street is called Clock. What do you know about Clock? If you're familiar with these areas, head to the comments. Let me know where you're watching from and who's watching the video. We're celebrating Jamaica, man. The beauty of Jamaica. That's what this channel is about. And we give thanks for the support as usual. Did you know that the juicy patties out here in Clock was the first? Let me show you the juicy patties. Back then it was called juicy beef. This one was the first one in Montego Bay. So the sign is damaged right in front of us. Yeah, man. You love juicy beef, or you love juicy patties. That's what it's called now. Let me know which one is your favorite. Beef, chicken, cheese, shrimp, veggie. Trust me, back then it was about $20 for a patty. $20 to $50 a patty, and look at patty now. Yeah? Patty is what? $400, $350 for a patty now. 300 and something. So this is what Clock here looks like. We're on Barnett Street. Straight in front of us to the left, to the right. On top, that's Cottage Road. But this is what it looks like here. All the supermarkets are early this morning. They're open. Computer Depot is on the right. Bashco is on the left. So we want to make the left turn here now, straight into the market. The market is busy. So all the vendors are out. I hope they're not blocking the roadway. This is what the market looks like on a Saturday, right after the holidays, Christmas holidays. Persons are getting their vegetables, their condiments, their fruits, and other food items. Soldiers are on a mission, man. This is what the market looks like, man. Busy. It's chaotic because what happened is that the vendors are putting their carts in the roadway. Yeah, there's no one really monitoring and watching, you know, trying to maintain order in the market. No police, no soldier, no, what you call it now, municipal personnel here. It's just chaos. So both sides, the vendors line the streets, and what happens is that they constantly put their food stuff further and further into the roadway, and then persons are driving through. It's very narrow, and persons are stopping in their vehicles and buying in their vehicles. So they're just blocking the roadway. But this is what the market looks like on a Saturday morning. I don't think I want to stay in this traffic, you know. Let me see if I can make a U-turn and go back at the top. Probably later I'll come back down here when the rush is not so much on. Ah, we made it. I escaped out of the traffic. Oh boy, I'm telling you, it's chaos. Nobody is monitoring the market. All right, we made it out. We made it out. It's chaos in the market. This is what the rest of Barnett Street looks like. Get out the road. This is what the rest of Barnett Street looks like right now. Persons are slowly coming out to do their shopping for the Sunday dinner tomorrow. Yeah, man, a lot of Jamaicans and tourists, you know, are in the country. You know, remember, we're just coming out of a hurricane. So they are coming to help their family members, to look for their family members, etc. So, you know, persons are doing their shopping, getting their food items, household items for the weekend.
シートベルトを着用してください。
That's the Barnett Street, 14 Barnett Street Police Station. Right here, the blue and white building on our right. Officers on the move. Alright, let's head on now to the Hardcore Boulevard. Again, remember to subscribe to the channel, man. Tap that subscribe button. It is free to subscribe. It is free to tap the button. So once you're watching the video, tap the subscribe button. It will help me a lot to getting these videos out to more people so that they can see the beauty of Jamaica. Not stopping at the gas station, passing the bus park. I'm going over around to the Mega Mart region there in Kitchener. A lot of persons want to see how that area is doing because it was badly hit. So I will pass through and show you. And I can even get you a nice drone shot. Yeah man, stay tuned, don't move a muss. I'm going to get you a good drone shot of Kitchener West Green area. So ensure you watch the entire video. See if I can catch this light. So to the right, over where the old Dragon Gym used to be, I think it's a church now. That's where World Central, one of the hubs where World Central Kitchen and other NGOs, they set up a little tent there and they were, you know, doing the distributions from that area. So the place getting back green and nice. It's going to be a bit hot because some of the trees went down. Signs that they're doing the road construction here. They're gonna widen. They want to widen this area and turn it into 4 lanes. And see, somebody was asking me in a previous video, why is it that Kitchener flood out and why I think the construction look to your left. And you will see exactly why. They are lifting the road, so they actually put in that what looks like a wall is actually the drain for the sidewalk. So they're gonna lift all of this area. And if they lift the area, all the water is going to be backed up where the houses are. So that is what has led, look at this section again. This is what has led to the flooding. This has actually increased the effect of the flooding. We know it was a storm surge, the flood was bound to happen, but this made it worse. That's what we were saying in the previous video. So this is Cathinall that we're in right now. Look Look at that, vehicles, see the vehicle here in the middle. Some of those vehicles were flooded out, damaged. A lot of persons who were insured third party, you know. Sorry for them, you're not going to get any compensation or anything, any payout. Alright, let's head to a drone footage of this area. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Island Max. Ensure that you subscribe to the channel. We have a lot to show you. We have a lot of videos to show you, man. Ensure that you subscribe. Don't be left out. Like the video, leave a comment. Let me know what are your views. And just, if you love Jamaica, just head to the comments and big up your country. Thank you so much. Until next time, peace.